Welcome to Torq, the AI-driven hyperautomation platform that's transforming how security teams work. Whether you're deploying automations, prioritizing alerts, or responding to threats, Torq empowers your team to automate more faster. Let's see how it works. Right out of the gate, Torq comes preloaded with thousands of pre-built actions to instantly automate your most common security processes. No matter what security solutions you use, you can select from a wide range of pre-coded steps for any action or trigger. Building these steps into an automation workflow is simple. Using the AI builder, security teams can type out a prompt using natural language and let Torq build out the framework. You can also start from scratch using no code, low code, or full code to build and deploy automations in minutes, regardless of your experience level. The easiest way to get started is with templates. Whether you want to start with EDR, threat hunting, identity access management, or phishing response, it's as simple as pulling up the template, reviewing the steps, and importing the template into your workspace. Once the template is imported, you can easily replace vendors or add steps using the drag and drop interface. If you need an action that isn't already included, use Torq's Step Builder to create custom steps. Once created, custom steps are saved in your workspace for reuse in any workflow that you might need it for. Now that the workflow is set up and automatically ingesting email phishing data from your organization, Torq applies AI-driven hyperautomation to the entire case management lifecycle, from initial investigation to response. We call it HyperSOC, the Hyperautomated Security Operations Center. Torq HyperSOC analyzes, correlates, and organizes unprocessed events into contextually enriched cases, intelligently ordered by severity and priority. Torq automatically reduces the Tier 1 triage and investigation tasks by 90%. So when an analyst does get involved, they already have all of the information needed to respond fast. The first thing you see when you open a case is an AI-generated case summary. Cases already have all of the relevant events, observables, and associated cases attached, which is all being analyzed and summarized into a quick and easy what happened, when it happened, the potential impact, and any key indicators, helping reduce your mean time to investigation. Next, you can see hyperautomation is already working for you, with every workflow that's running behind the scenes logged here in the timeline view. Applying hyperautomation to case management allows Torq to trigger workflows off of case-specific actions, meaning when a new observable is added or the severity of a case changes, the case moves along without even needing an analyst to interact with it. When a case does get assigned to an analyst, Torq helps security teams respond to threats faster. First, security teams can build in quick action response buttons based on the use case that helps significantly reduce the mean time to respond. In this example, we have a few phishing response workflows built directly into every security case that Torq categorizes as phishing. Second is Torq's AI SOC analyst, called Socrates. Socrates is a chat-based LLM designed to elevate the performance of Tier 1 analysts and augment end-to-end investigations. Security teams can chat with Socrates, asking it to summarize case info, enrich cases with further investigation, or even ask Socrates to trigger hyper-automated workflows that quarantine devices, isolate hosts, or kick off a password reset. Or you can simply assign the case to Socrates completely and let it follow the remediation runbook for you, giving time back in the day to focus on more critical threats or proactive security measures. Thanks for exploring how Torq empowers your security team to automate more faster. To see even more in action, go ahead and request a demo below.